Sometimes the best breakfasts aren't fancy, they are quick, filling, and straight to the point. If you've ever woke up hungry but short of time, stay with me because I'm going to show you an easy way to whip up some plummy potatoes with some egg sauce. Let's go. I know some of you might be pitying me right now. Maybe you think that chopping up those vegetables are lots of work for me. No, the only thing I haven't chopped on this board is human head. Don't tell anybody. Like, I can literally chop anything, everything. I chop crayfish, everything. Like, I just love it. It's therapeutic for me. So let's go ahead to make our egg sauce. This is going to be like flavorful, spicy, because as you can see, we had lots of pepper in our tomatoes. So we are not doing much today, just the peppers, the tomatoes, the onion, the oil, the salt. Like nothing much, like everything I'm reading out now, I'm counting out now, it's probably in your kitchen, and you should just watch closely and see what I'm doing. I literally left that tomatoes to cook till it's the, what do you call it, the salt has disappeared and all of that, and I added in the egg as you saw, and this is our basil leaf, just 3 of it, and everywhere was smelling like home. Honestly, I recommend the basil, but if you don't have basil, you can just skip the veggie, the leafy veggie part. It's okay. So let's go ahead and peel our potato. Who doesn't like peeling potatoes like me? I was literally shouting in the kitchen, please, do any of you love peeling potatoes? Just come do the peeling and you get your profit, you get your share of the dinner per se. Yeah, actually this can serve as breakfast, as dinner. Mine, it served me as dinner, it can serve you as breakfast. Okay, these can be one of the breakfast, like this can be one of the best choices you will make this week. Okay, make sure to try it out. And for the salt, like some people do say that adding salt to their potato. Oh my god, what am I saying? Potato. Okay, now I can say it right. Adding salt to their potato, it's a no, so it's fine if you're one of those people. And guys, remember, in every frying section, I used to remind us that we need sacrificial lamb, and that tiny piece of potato is the sacrificial lamb. Don't pour in everything at once and realize that the oil is not hot enough or it's over hot. You can actually use a skewer to check, but since I don't have one, I don't even have a proper frying spoon, so I just have to manage what I have, what I brought, and boom, voila, our plummy potatoes is ready. They are ready. Look at those, they're so pretty. They're so pretty, and just like that, you just fixed yourself in less than 5 minutes a very good, nourishing, what else, very delicious breakfast. You can try this and let me know what you think in the comments. See you tomorrow on day 23, and thanks for your support so far. Bye.